Becoming a famous vlogger requires a combination of creativity, consistency, dedication, and strategic planning. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. Choose a specific niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you stand out and attract a targeted audience. 2. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera and microphone, to ensure your videos have excellent production value. Plan your content carefully, keeping it engaging, informative, or entertaining. Be mindful of video and audio quality. 3. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistency helps build a loyal following. Develop a content schedule that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or daily. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and interact with your audience on social media platforms. Create a community around your content by involving your audience in discussions or challenges. 5. Optimize your channel. Create an appealing and professional channel layout. Use compelling thumbnails and titles to attract viewers. Optimize your video descriptions and tags to improve search engine visibility. 6. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and relevant communities. Collaborate with other content creators to expand your reach. Utilize SEO strategies to increase the discoverability of your content. 7. Build your personal brand. Develop a unique and memorable brand for your vlog. Showcase your personality and let your authenticity shine through in your videos. 8. Learn from analytics. Use analytics tools provided by platforms like YouTube to understand your audience demographics and preferences. Adjust your content strategy based on what works and what doesn't. 9. Stay updated with trends. Stay informed about current trends and incorporate them into your content when relevant. Adapt to changes in your niche or platform algorithms. 10. Monetize wisely. Once you have a substantial following, explore ways to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, or other revenue streams. Remember that building a successful vlogging career takes time, and there are no guaranteed shortcuts to fame. Stay persistent, be patient, and continuously improve your content and engagement strategies.